Ang dami na pumasok. Ang ganda. Alam mo yan, friend.
Totoo.
Kung maganda din si Elaya.
At Diyos ko naman, che.
Alcohol.
Ay, alcohol. May alcohol ka?
Yan.
Ito.
If we're beautiful, guys, can you send us gift?
Yes. Please, please.
Say go na. Hello, say go.
Hi, say go na. Ikaw na mag-open, best.
Thank you. Ay, halika dito, Bes. We have also one friend that is beautiful too.
Yes.
Like, I wanted to
I want you to meet my cousin.
Right.
Hi, guys.
But he's not in Bigo yet because
She's not already in 18.
yeah,
She's still minor.
soon
Tumba. Tumba. Suntok sa ban.
she reached the 18.
She can be with us.
Yeah, she will live with us. Ghosting.
Hi,
Hello,
Ghosting.
Can you follow my friend? Follow my friend. She's beautiful and more.
I think you're joking. You want this?
No, you want this? 18 beans. Oh, we need only 18 beans to 1
Yes.
star. Can you give us 18 beans, guys?
Guys, please. Please, please,
Can you give us 18 beans so that my friend reach 1 star? Wow, legs. Saan?
Where?
Mukha to. Wala.
There's no legs here.
Prat, hello, Prat. Uy,
Hello, Prat. Hello,
Milo.
Milo. Bag na.
Di yung bag mo na black.
Anong ilalagay doon?
Gamit at saka ano lang tayo pagkain.
Yung bag ko dyan o sa taas. Yung ginagamit ko na ano lagi.
Hello, Max.
Hello, Max.
Shall we,
po? Yung black na ano, oo, be. Tignan mo na lang yung laman nyo, tanggalin mo na lang kung ano.
Guys, we only
Help me,
need,
guys, please.
yeah, we only need 18 beans
Yes,
to
only
reach
18
1
beans.
star. Only 1 star. My manager 8.
You have makeup for this.
Ay, sorry, Bes.
Manager Amex. Ay, follow mo si
Hello
Manager
po.
Amex. Ayan. Manager Amex. Si Ilaya, my friend.
Hello po. Nice to meet you po.
Di ba maganda siya? Plakado. Maerbog. Hayop talaga.
Siya lang po yun.
Followed you. Perfect. Is she beautiful?
I think you're joking. That's enough. Don't me.
We only need 18 beans, guys, to reach 1 star. Please help my friend. Please help my friend reach 1 star. So, she have... Gob. Hello, Gob.
Hi, Gob.
To reach her quota. Nakapagod, ha?
Papasok pa ba tayo, be?
Hindi, bis. Hadlang lang sa pag-
Gagi.
HRU.
Go lang, be.
Hala.
Go, hiram yun na lahat, bes. Tarantado.
Sama to na ka pala, te.
Sa ano? Hindi. Sa ano, kinako kapon. Nung bumili tayo ng gamit niya. Nung dumating tayo. Bakit ba? Hindi mo nahanap yung sa'yo?
Hindi. Naiwan ko kay Tita Gladys.
Ay, gagi.
What's this? Oh. So, Len,